Today I'm going to be telling you what you should be doing on this ongoing assessment document that you will find on Classroom. You have already filled in this first column with your own explanation of each of these skills, and today you're going to be filling in your self-assessment and explanation and the evidence. Instead of a link, you're just going to give some commentary. So for our discussion on whatever day that was, you should have already scored yourself for your preparation. I'm going to say I get an 80 out of 100, and the reason being, I say I think I deserve this grade because I answered most of the questions on Ghost, but I didn't use text evidence for a couple of them. And then I'm going to give myself a grade on this, my participation in the discussion. Did I comment with relevant observations and ideas? I'm going to give myself, let's say I said something one time. I'm going to give myself a C. I'm going to give myself a 75 out of 100. And then you would explain here why you think you got that grade. That should hopefully already be done. Then you need to go back to these other points about using textual evidence to support what the text says explicitly and drawing inferences about the meaning of the text on this second one. So I can use my answers for Ghost questions 1 through 3, and I can use my answers for Ghost questions chapters 4 through 10. I may also refer to times when I gave answers in class if I can remember having done so. So for what the text says explicitly, we know that's answering the question using evidence from the text. So something like, initially, what sport was Ghost interested in playing? If you use the text to answer basketball, then you have an answer where you're using the text to answer what the text says explicitly. You can copy and paste your answer from here. You would copy this, whatever it might be, and then you would paste it into the evidence box. This is your evidence of having been able to do this. If I did a decent job, I might give myself, let's say, a B. I'm going to do a B minus, 80 out of 100 on here. And then why? Why do I think this? You can either put your why in the box here, or you can put the why in the box with the evidence. You're going to do the same thing for each of these. You've written an objective summary. You've also determined a theme for Ghost, which are both here on chapters 4 through 10. Write an objective summary and write a theme statement. If you have not yet completed these, then you should do this before you can complete the ongoing assessment. But there will be no additional class time, so you should be able to score yourself for each of these boxes. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. And just disregard this last one. We don't even need to talk about this at this point. So you have 5 boxes based on your questions and 2 boxes based on the discussion. Please score yourself and explain why you think you should earn that. I will be giving you a grade for each skill in this column, and I will be writing notes here. Some of you already have some notes in these boxes down here asking you to give me more information. All right, good luck with this, and I will see you tomorrow.